I'm
I'm
gonna
going to,
at least it's connected. Uh, okay. Yeah, I was getting worried. Um, Either way, this is good. We can record this as a town hall. You know, these town halls get even the United Nations pays attention because they're so big. But you know, I was just going to connect you to the Council of Igbo States. So they're traditional leaders, and they'll work with you guys um, to build or figure out what you guys want to do. At least people can say that there's something going on, and you're connected to leadership and government and all the ideas we talked about for years, centuries, a long time. So I'm going to give you the contact for that organization. It's a Council of Igbo States in America. So that would get Jamaica, I know Trinidad and Tobago we talked about, maybe Barbados in the future. They're connected to uh, Carolina, North and South Carolina, Jacksonville, Florida. So there's ways to connect to them. Sometimes the consuls are into too much politics, but that's it. That's just I just wanted to get that recorded. I don't know. Is there anything you want to say? Can you hear me? Uh-oh.
I can hear my mic was muted a while ago.
Okay.
Um, the politics, you're not going to get away from it. It is going to be always there, and we just have to see how best we can actually work around it. I hope there would be a scheduled meeting soon, so all those who are in the group that they can come and put forward their viewpoint as to how and to what direction they would love to see things go.
Man, the bigger group is actually people that have already traveled, and they're actually in organizations that are already doing these kind of things. One person's going already becoming a chief, and he has people in 5 countries, and like he's a maroon. Like a lot of these people, some of these people are most of these people are maroons in the West, or they're in America, and they're working with the churches. They're trying to get with the maroons. It was just Jamaica, Barbados. Those countries never joined. Like 2 countries really, and then everybody's just acting what everyone else wants to do. And it's just confusing. Everybody, it's like most of them are maroons, and they already have these programs that they're doing, farming, this and that, living off the land, and they're not. Some of them are in politics, but they're not. Some of them are. Most of them are chiefs and villagers and farmers. So that's all it is. But
Um, I was thinking more in terms of those who are not so much associated with the bigger group before, but for those persons who would want to have a better understanding that they would actually come into the Zoom meeting and actually participate, so
man,
that we can get something productive going.
this group right here, we're trying. This is a lot of people who don't answer. That's why we don't have anything going. They don't answer the phone. They always gaslight saying that they don't know what's going on, but they never answer the phone. They never say this is time to be meeting. So that's where the politics comes in. You always catch them voting, posting something about a politician. But when you start talking about the African village system type government or town halls, town hall is a type of government. People come together and form their own policy, saying this is what we're going to do, this is what we want to do. They never meet. They never say this is the time to meet. This is the time to move forward on the agenda. I called like 4 or 5 times. You're the only one to answer. And they're pretending to not hear it. They're ignoring it. But this has been going on for years. This is what's been going on for years.
Is it possible that we could say, look at a date and set a date for another Zoom meeting so they would have advanced time and notice?
I
You
mean,
know,
we can do that, but I mean, it's up to them to answer. Like we could set it between us, but that they're not. That doesn't mean they got to. They don't have to say. They could. I've seen people stay in groups for years, not saying anything. So I asked them. You could put that. What time is best to meet? They'll just sit in the group and ignore you. Maybe just watching and reporting to somebody else or spying. I don't know what they're doing.
um, uh, probably, you know, they were not in, they might not have been engaging enough. Sorry, then, but I am not one who feels that if you try the first time, you try the second time or the third time, and you don't get the desired result, you should actually throw your arm up in the air and just call it a day. I think that persistency and how you approach things will actually get things done. So I'm suggesting, well, strongly suggesting that possible another date is set for a Zoom meeting, and we arrive at a time that we think persons would be able to fit themselves in, and attend that Zoom meeting.
Okay, I'm open to future Zoom meetings. In the smaller group. In the bigger group, I have to do the same thing where I have to call people and figure out where they're at. So a lot of them get tired when I just post and nobody travels or does anything. I'm just asking for country. People get tired of
Um,
waiting.
since you have been doing the posting, why not we set the Zoom date, and the link is posted, so they would have ample time, and I would do the reminder, because persons may get accustomed to see only you posting, but if somebody else post something to the effect that the Zoom meeting is on, maybe that may get the desired result that is expected.
Or I guess I'm not sure. Oh, it's okay. It's only Barbados and Jamaica, but even Barbados, they're connected to. There might be multiple ways to get that done without the WhatsApp. But that's I'm gonna forward the number to you. I'm gonna see we'll see about it. Um I'm gonna get the phone number to you of
Okay.
Igbo states in America, and I'm gonna see work on posting meeting
What
time.
about what about wow what about um Thursday? What time are you free on Thursday?
Usually around 2 to 9 p.m. I'm not sure,
Repeat
but
that for me.
2 to 9 usually. I'm not sure because I might need to stop by the bank, so it might be a late night. It depends.
So you're saying you'll be free between 2 and 9 p.m.
Yeah.
That would be between 1 and 8 p.m. here. Because 1 and 8 p.m. I'm not sure if I will get home by 8 p.m., but I'm sure I'll be home by 9. So is it the same for Wednesday?
Wednesday?
Yeah.
What time works for you?
Well, I know that I won't be in until after 8 p.m. my time, which will be after 9 o'clock your time.
Okay.
Since you're an hour ahead of me.
That keeps things growing. And I think it's only fair after I give you the contacts and you establish that if they don't show up and they don't explain why they didn't show up, so I think that's fair to move on.
So is it the same time that you'll be free on Monday between 2 and 9?
Yes. Well, not maybe 3 or 4 to 9.
Okay,
Yeah, it depends. What works for you? I might not. I'm actually have things to do tomorrow. Yeah.
tomorrow is going to be out for me. Wednesday, wow, Wednesday the business place is closed half day here. So Wednesday is a slow day with transportation. So um I'm going to suggest uh um when Thursday at 8 would be 9 o'clock your time. No. 8 o'clock my time would have been 9 o'clock your time. 8 o'clock your time would have been 7 p.m. my time. Wow, that is going to make it a bit tight because I'm almost certain that I won't be able to leave downtown by 7 p.m. on Monday. I mean on Thursday. So if you could say wow, if I get into wow. Let make it for 8 p.m. on Thursday.
8
8
p.m.
p.m. on
Thursday.
Thursday because if I get into downtown early on Thursday, I should be able to exit downtown before 7 o'clock on Thursday, 7 p.m. on Thursday evening.
Okay, 8 p.m. Thursday, and that would be 9 p.m. my time.
That would be 9. No, sorry, not 7, not 8 p.m. Would that time be okay with you, or you need an earlier time?
Later time could work.
A later time for you.
That could work.
An earlier time would not work for you?
It works. It works. It just depends. You have to tell. I have to know what time it is. But you said what time? Jamaica is 1 hour ahead or 1 hour behind? So 1 hour behind. So
Jamaica is 1 hour behind.
so what time again would you want it? You said 8 Thursday, or it was something else?
8 Thursday, but because you said you would be free between 2 and 9. So at 9 o'clock you would not be available.
No, I'll be available then.
You will be available 9 o'clock?
You said 9 o'clock. That's 1 hour your time.
9 o'clock your time would be 8 p.m. my time.
Okay. I'll just say I'll be available.
You will be available.
Yeah, I'm getting tired really. So I'll review it. Yeah, I'll be available. So and I'll give you the contact and we'll just discuss it later. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right.
So, you could actually put the link up from tomorrow. Put the link up from tomorrow, and then I will do the reminders thereafter.
I'm going to probably remove most of the people because they're not showing anything, not showing any interest.
Okay. Suggestion.
Yeah.
Do not move person, because sometimes persons, they will read the message, but they may not respond. That doesn't mean that they do not have an interest. It is in what is happening. At some point in time, a topic may be raised, and they feel passionate about that issue, and they will actually make a contribution. So I would suggest, don't move those persons as yet.
I think I do because I got a family that I got to take care of, and people are just wasting my time. They're not responding. Nobody else acts like this. So this is just a 2-country forum, and I got to move off this. It's been 6 years.
I think one of the things that is happening, because you may
No, it's been 6 years. I don't want to really discuss it. I'm exhausted right now. I got to
Chase,
sleep.
just hear me out, please. One of the things is that sometimes when you remove persons, you still have those persons in your contact. So you may add them to a group over a period of time. And because they have been constantly being removed from group, they see that's nothing. But if you keep those persons in the group and they see information that is coming that they are interested in, they are going to read. They are going to read. They may not make a comment, but at some point in time, they will do, depending on how passionate they are about a particular issue.
Okay. I'm not going to be
So I
posting
would
too
say
much.
give it some time.
Uh, I think I've given enough time, but cause I got other people who want to go do things in these countries. These people aren't even. Some of them are already connected to Igbo land, but because of politics, they don't want to share. They don't want to talk. They've never been doing anything for years. They haven't really done anything in Barbados. They haven't really done anything in Jamaica. I've talked to these people. They're not serious. They're not. They don't have any agenda. They're asking me what to do, but they're supposed to be in leadership, spreading Igbo culture and discussing these things for years. They haven't done anything. So I don't have anything for them. If they want to say something, fine. But other people are looking to replace them. There's other organizations out there. This is just an open forum if they want to discuss. They know what they're supposed to be doing, but people have ulterior motives and their own agenda. So I'm not here to police anybody. If they want to participate, fine. But I have other forums. I have other people. I have people in Jacksonville waiting for me, waiting for a group. Haiti, Haiti's waiting. I can't be running 10 different groups and giving people
Since,
time and time and
since
time. And I got
no
family.
one
It
no
is
one
crazy.
should be left behind. There are some who are slow in waking up, but no one should be left behind.
I think, yeah, well, I disagree. I disagree. I've been left behind a lot of times. So sometimes you gotta return the favor. But all right, I'll close this thing. What time did we agree to meet again?
Um, it is 9, which would be 8 my time, 9 on Thursday,
9 on Thursday. All right.
which would be 8 my time.
All right, good
Okay.
night. Okay, I'm gonna give you the contact. Dr. Anna Quinze. Dr. Anna Quinze.
Okay.
All right. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, brother.